Hello friends, in this lecture we will continue with sketch mode and we will know different types of options in the line tool. So if I go to this line command and I click on this arrow, we have infinite line, bitangent line, bisecting line and line normal to curve. So we are going to learn them one by one. First of all, we will know about infinite line. As the name suggests, these types of lines are infinite in size. So these are generally reference lines. So if I click on this infinite line option, now on the top it is highlighting horizontal line, vertical line and line through 2 points. I make a check on this horizontal line, it is selected. So now we can see in this preview it is showing a horizontal line. So just we have to place the location. Suppose I click here, click on this origin and then hit the roller. And now in this way we have inserted a horizontal infinite line. In the similar way we can also insert the vertical line. So I go to infinite line and click on this option of vertical. We can also insert the location using this H and V coordinates. So I am randomly placing it here. So I make a click on this and now it is a vertical infinite line. Similarly, we can also create a line that is passing through 2 points. So I go to infinite line option and select this option of infinite line and then I select line passing through 2 points. And now we have to select 2 points. So I select this first point onto this line and click on this second line for the second point. And now we can see we have a line that is passing through 2 points. So in this way we can draw the infinite lines.